Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Hey guys, it's Maureen and welcome back to the channel. I'm back after 2 months. Today is February 28th and I think my last video, I don't remember. I will be putting it right here on the screen. I actually rested for 2 months. 2024 was a busy year for me, so I did rest for 2 months, and what triggered for me to come back and make video is because Apple surprised me while I was on my vacation in Puerto Rico. I follow Apple on their YouTube channel, so every time they post something or something new on YouTube, I see it on my feed, on my YouTube feed. That kind of surprised me, and I thought at first that it was a fake video. You know, those like creators out there that make real good videos that look like an ad. So I thought it was that. When I clicked it, it was real. It was from Apple. So I was confused, or I didn't believe it until now. It's here. So today we are going to be unboxing the iPhone 16e. So this video is just going to be the unboxing and telling you guys that I'm back after resting for 2 months. If you are interested on the unboxing of the iPhone 16e, just keep on watching. This box is so small because the iPhone itself is small too. Wow. Ooh, there's still some stickers that I didn't really pull in the back. Yeah. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's so small. One camera. What is this? USB-C to USB-C charger and paperwork. Oblong paperwork, and that's it. Wow. Holy cow, it's so small. I actually love this phone. Okay, let's turn it on here. Hello. English. United States. Medium and large. Actually a beautiful phone. Wow. If iPhone 16 Pro Max has a baby, this is it. That's awesome. Okay, testing the front video of the iPhone 16e. So we're gonna go for a walk to test the iPhone. You can long press the button, the action button, and you could take a video. That's what I'm doing right now. Front facing camera. I feel like the camera is not as good as the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It looks like a wide angle too, isn't it? Testing. Again, this has a 128 gigabytes memory or storage, so I can take more videos here. Ooh, there's the bridge.
But I'm the one who made it to your heart. Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love. Tell you everything that you don't hear enough. I fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring. Always on my mind, you know I need that love. Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love. Tell you everything that you don't hear enough. I fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring. Always on my mind, you know I need that love. You know I'm always one.
We found an iPhone and Joshua does not want me to grab it. The question is there a Slo-Mo in the front? Let's test it.
Fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring. Always on my mind, you know